Here is a thinking question on slope and lines. It is very interesting and it gives you the concept. Thinking question 1. Given a point A minus 3, 7. Find the coordinates of a point B so that the line segment AB has a slope of minus 2 over 5. Make a note of this question, try to solve it. Part B. Is this point B unique? Explain your thinking. It's a very beautiful and important question as we are coming in of this preparation of test for slopes and lines. I think this is the right moment to just see how much have we understood. Okay, and I would like you to review this video so that you can get all the concepts of slopes and lines in your mind absolutely clear. Now try this problem and then look into my solution. Here is how I will do it. I'll rather apply a very graphical approach here than the algebraic approach and show you how it is easier doing it with graphics or picturizing it rather than algebraically, right? I can give you the solution, algebraic solution also. That's besides the point. Okay, so we are given a point. Let us say this is the point given to us and the coordinates of this point is minus 3 and 7. Now we want to find coordinates of point B. This is A for us. Let's say A is this point, right? So that the line segment AB has slope of minus 2 and 5. Now minus 2 and 5 means that from here we can go 2 units down. Let's say if I would have put it on a graph paper, which I'm not doing for the moment. So minus 2 means going 2 steps down. So I'll do like this, 1 and 2. So we went 2 steps down. If you go 2 steps down, y value will change from 7 to 5, right? Correct? 2 steps down, 7 changes to 5. So that is minus 2 and 5 means run of 5. So we'll go 5 steps on right. So from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's the 5th step. So which point do you come at? This is what you have to figure out. So let's do our math. 5, 2 steps down from 7. So 1, 2. So the y value becomes 2 less than 7, which is 5. Do you see that? And now let's see the x value. 5 steps to the right. So we add 5. So from minus 3 we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5, which gives us 2. So that is the point we arrive. And if we join these two lines, this 2 point, then we know that we have a slope of minus 2 over 5. So let me kind of join it, okay, just roughly, okay. Okay, that is where we go, like this. Oh, that's fine, good enough. So this is one point we got, and if you check slope 5 minus 7, let's try to do our math now to check 5 minus 7 divided by 2 minus minus 3, which is 2 plus 3, is equals to 5 minus 7 is minus 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get our slope. Do you see? So we have found one point and let this point be B. Good job. Now part B is this point B unique? Explain your thinking. Well, that's kind of tricky. It's not really unique because, you know, there is a line. So there is a point on this side. There could be a point on the other side also, right? How to get that point? Now think like this. We can use this slope like this. We can write minus 2 over 5, or we can also write this as 2 over minus 5. Wow, that's great. That means we will go up by 2 from here. So let's go up by 2. 1 and 2. So we go up by 2, right? So that is our 2 plus. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So we are going up, right? And then 5 on the left. Minus means left. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. and we reach a point here which is on our line. So that becomes the second B point. What should be the coordinates for this B point? So y coordinate is 2 up, that means 2 more than 7. So we'll write 9, 2 more than 7. And 5 to the left, that means more negative. So minus 3, minus 5. So it becomes minus 8. So minus 8 and 9 is the second point where this could be. And let's call this point as B dash, right? So that is our second point. You can check your slope again. So the original point is minus 3 and 7. And the second point is minus 8 and 9. So 9 minus 7 will do here. 9 minus 7 divided by minus 8 minus 3. So minus 8 minus 3 becomes plus 3. And here 9 minus 7 is 2. And minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. So we get the same slope. Do you see? It's a very beautiful problem. And at this stage, it is the right question. So we incrementally introduced difficult concepts of slopes and lines. And I hope you enjoyed the journey of understanding slopes and also lines with it, right? And if you have any difficulty or any comments, put them down. We are there to solve all your problems and make math easy and interesting for you, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Now with this, we'll kind of close on slope and lines, and we'll move on to lines now, and we'll look into lines in more details. I understand there were places where solving equations could have been very tricky. So I'll suggest you once again to look into my videos on how to solve algebraic equations. It'll be great fun, right? Now here I have some space. Let me tell you, I could have done this problem algebraically also, right? But that I'll leave it for you for the time being. But here is kind of solution. You think about it and find the same answers. Slope is given to us, which is minus 2 over 5. A point is given to us, minus 3 and 7. We need to find a new point and let that point be xy, right? So let's say that our point is x and y. Then the slope is y minus the y value, which is 7, divided by x minus the x value, which is plus 3. So you got to find two numbers, y and x, which will give you same result. So try it with this one and then try this one. This is your second answer. I'm writing the same numbers here, x plus 3, but here I'm writing 2 over minus 5. Correct? And then see if you get your solution fast. So that is the algebraic method, and it's a very beautiful method to solve this problem. So can you solve it from here? I hope you can. If not, let me know. But this is excellent, and that is what I call probably the best example on slopes and lines. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Thank you.